Hello and welcome back. So in this video, let's see the database setup. So in database, we have actually two modules, right? Events and users. So user separate table, event separate table. So each field, what it contains, we'll see. So first, I need a database name. Database will be, let's say, events hyphen booking is my database. And tables, I need just users table and also events table. Okay. So in user table, what are the fields required? I need name of the person, email of the person, password of the person, avatar of the person. Because if the person has login, I want to display his profile picture. So avatar and what else? Is admin. I have to check is that guy is an admin user or not because to upload events we need to have an admin user. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay. Fine, and created, updated things will come by default. Like created it, updated it will come automatically. ID will come automatically, so no need to mention. Okay, so generally here I'll tell you. So ID will be there, and created it and updated it. These things. Okay, so for events table, what fields required? Actually, what is there you have mentioned for upload these things. Let me copy them. Yeah, here ID will be there and name of the what so name of the event, image of the event, price, date, info type, and also the created date, updated date. Okay, that's fine. So these are the fields. Okay, so now let's also understand the modules which is required to make this application. Okay, so let's say server side modules. Okay, what server side modules is? First I need a node. Where did you first express.js required for server creation, cars for cross-browser activity, and avatar. Let's say gravatar. Gravatar is to generate this avatar image based on a certain email. This avatar image come from the gravatar database. I show you how it works, and I need bcrypt.js for password encryption. We never store the plain passwords, so bcrypt.js and JSON web token, JSON web token. So JSON web token is for token based authentication system, and express validator. This is for a server side form validation, and I need mongoose for database configuration for MongoDB. Anything else required? I guess express. Okay, cards. Okay, gravatar, and one more .env. So this is to maintain the environment variables for your application because all the credentials you never store in the program, so you have to keep in a separate file. So we need the .env, and I guess this thing's fine. And moreover, if you want to use them with TypeScript, you have to use the type definitions as well. So let's say for all this, I need for TypeScript support as well. So let's make it types slash. So these many things required. So I want to have a installation command for this. I also need one extra at types slash node because maybe I use in future some node features as well. So type slash node is required. Okay, so these things let's make a command. So can I take this in a separate line and edit line operations join. Yes, perfect. So let's say npm install. Okay, and this is your commands. Let's copy this completely and let's keep it here. So this will be your the complete command to install all the packages. Okay, so I think that's all. So we have made a router configuration ready, database configuration ready, and the required package is also ready. So now it's time to create the actual Express server by installing all the packages. So let's make that setup in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.